In my last video, I did a full review of the Tokyo Marui Glock 17 Gen 5. In this one, I'll be walking you through a quick disassembly guide. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the review, I've got an exciting announcement. I've just launched a brand new YouTube channel dedicated to cosplay, 3D printing, and cinematic films. If you're into creating cosplay suits, props, dioramas, or anything 3D printing related, be sure to check it out and subscribe. Now back to the video. Disassembling the G17 Gen 5 is pretty straightforward. First, remove the magazine and make sure the chamber is clear, no BBs inside. Next, hold down the levers on both sides. This is called the disassembly lever or slide release lever. Push the slide slightly forward, then back, and finally pull it out from the front. Now press the spring down on the guide rod beneath the cylinder. Pull it slightly toward yourself, then away. After that, push the barrel forward and take it out. For general cleaning or field stripping, this is all you need to do. You don't have to go further unless necessary. Back in boot camp, this was as far as we were allowed to disassemble, so I won't go more in depth for now. The trigger assembly is a bit more complex to break down, but for cleaning, you can simply reach in with a Q-tip or even better, spray some compressed air to clear out any dust or debris. The inner barrel can also be removed if you need to adjust the hop-up. If you want to access the nozzle, remove the 2 screws in the back and 1 on the side, then push it out. For attaching or removing optics, simply press the button at the back and slide out the small component in the cutout. You can mount any RMR sight using 2 screws or opt for an additional adapter for more customized setup. And that's it for this quick guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.